Due to the dynamism of industrial activity and the growth of population in the state, levels of air pollution have increased, especially in the urban areas of Monterrey. The generation of these causes serious damage to the environment. Now, air pollution. Air pollution in the last triennium of air quality evaluation, the main pollutants are carbon monoxide, ozone, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, but also their average values are above the threshold that are considered satisfactory. It is important to know that each year the levels of these are actually increasing, and there is also not much distance between the satisfactory and unsatisfactory levels. The increase in these pollutants is due to the emissions produced by the industrialization process and the increase of automobiles mainly, as well as the absence of traffic control programs in the face of environmental contingencies. And the last two principal factors for which there are large levels of pollution in the state of Nuevo León is that there are more than 5,000 industries generating large CO2 emissions into the environment. Some of these are Magotux, that is a steel smelter, Vitro, that manufactures of glass, and Cemex, that we already know what it is, the cement. And unfortunately, the institutions in charge of keeping these companies under environmental standards, such as Profepa, only have 5 inspectors in charge of monitoring compliance. That is very few people for all the companies that are here in Nuevo León.
Another of the principal factors of high levels of air pollution is the more than 2 million cars a day circulate through the state, since there are no any kind of gifts or different transportation options. Furthermore, specialists assure that the government will hardly take the most vigilant action over the business sector, as this could put a brake on economic activity. This is why important newspapers as El Universal refer to the state as a place with a free way to pollute. According to José Luis Sames, director of the state's Natural Resource and Environment Agency, urban sprawl is expanding in the Monterrey metropolitan area at a rate of 10 acres per day. Last year, nearly 4,000 acres of land were bulldozed for new subdivisions. In the excavation of lands for new construction, heavy-duty machinery is dislodging huge quantities of dust, which is then spread around the city by wind. Some of the dust particles are less than 10 micrometers in size. This means that they are too small for the nose and throat to filter. Those PM10 particles can travel to the airways, to the bronchi and lungs, and cause health problems. Also, the PM10 particles can be produced by combustion of high sulfur diesel fuels. According to Tames, for every hectare or 2.5 acres developed, 2,000 metric meters of rubble and dirt are moved.